Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be a full face of brand new products. Not like brand new products on the market, but brand new products to me. When Sephora had their like VIB sale back in April, I bought a bunch of stuff and I never tried them out. They've just been sitting in my drawers. So today I'm just going to do like a full face of brand new makeup. And so yeah, I'm very like late to this, but I just decided to just film like a kind of first impressions. This is like basically first impressions because I've never used these products, and just like do a full face of all the makeup that I got on the sale. And also, before we get on to the video, please subscribe to my channel down below and also leave a comment in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys and I love talking to you guys. So again, my name is Simplykrystelle and let's get on to the video. So I already filled my eyebrows. I didn't get like any new brow product. I just used my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit to show you like my face stuff. For primer, I actually picked up the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This has been like raved about for months now, so I'm really late to the whole Milk Hydro Grip train. Like, I'm just gonna take a little bit of pumps on my hand and I'm just gonna pat the primer in like this. Well, actually, maybe I'll just smooth it onto my skin. And this primer definitely feels like very like tacky like, and it feels very like sticky. I heard it's like supposed to like literally grip like your face a little bit. So let's see how this goes. So leave it on for a minute. So I'm gonna leave it on for a minute so that it can really absorb into my skin. But so far I like the way it feels. I was gonna do like my foundation first, but I guess I'll do like my eyes first, whatever. And to prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I've never used anything from Jouer before. I don't have anything from Jouer, but I thought I would pick up this concealer because I've heard such like great things about this concealer. Like a lot of people love this concealer. So I thought I would just pick it up and try it out. So I'm just going to use it to prime my eyelids. It's definitely a thicker formula. It's not like thin or anything. It's definitely like thicker. I'm just going to use this Real Techniques brush to just blend it out on my eyelids. Eyeshadow, I actually picked up this Natasha Deanna mini nude palette, and this shade right here, the gold right here, it actually came like cracked and stuff, so I was a little bit sad about that because I really was excited about this, but I didn't like tell Sephora or anything like that because I didn't think it was like a big deal. It's gonna be hard for me to like hold it open, so I'm just gonna show you guys in the like when it's closed. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I think this is Sienna. Just to add some depth to the eye look, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this dark brown right here and I'm just gonna apply that on the outer V part of my eyes. Then for my lids, I'm just going to take this shade right here. I think this is Lumino. And I'm just going to apply that on my whole entire lid area. I usually love to apply my lid shade with my fingers. Like I always just use my finger. going to go back with that brush that I applied the first shade, I think like Sienna. I'm just going to go back and just blend on top of everything. It's literally just it for my eyes. Like, that's all I'm doing. Something that I've been wanting to try out for like years has been this Hourglass Stick Foundation. This came out like 3-4 years ago. I just never got to trying it out, so I was just like, you know what, I've always wanted this foundation stick. I've never had it and I could never like buy it and stuff, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna purchase this foundation stick. And I already know it's such a good foundation, but I got the shade Golden Almond, and some people might not have it either, but I have been loving foundation sticks lately. Like, I prefer foundation sticks over liquid foundations, so I've just been like really like loving foundation sticks, and I already know like the hype about this. I already know like it's such a great foundation, so I'm not even like worried about what it's going to be like. But yeah, I got the shade Golden Almond. I'm just gonna try this one out. It'll give me like a medium coverage. I'm not looking for like super full coverage, but I still want to cover up like the cluster of dark spots that I have like right here, and I have like some dark spots on my forehead. So I just put like a couple swipes on my face, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M439 brush to blend all of that in. Like, it's literally like dark spots where like it covered all of my dark spots. Like, I have a big cluster of dark spots like right here. It literally covered all of that. And now I'm gonna take the Jouer high coverage concealer, and I got the shade Amber. I'm thinking maybe Amber was a little too like my skin tone-ish, but I don't know if it's gonna be like really highlight for me, but I'm just gonna use it because that's all I have. And this is just testing out new makeup. I think I could have gotten a hair lighter. It has like a painty smell. Like, it smells kind of like paint, and it's definitely high coverage. I can tell you that right now. Like, I think I put a little bit too much underneath my eye. The coverage is really good. Like, to set the concealer, I actually picked up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in Honey. I have the big one in Banana, but I picked up a mini one in Honey because there's a YouTuber I watch here. Her name is Andrea Renee, and she's like so awesome, and we have like the same skin tone. Like, we wear the same foundation shade, and it's like everything. So she was actually saying that Honey is better than Banana, because I have the Banana one, and she was saying that the Banana one's a little lighter, a little like too light, and she says that Honey is like the perfect like brightening powder. So I went out and I picked up Honey because I was like, you know what, maybe Honey is like a better powder for like our skin tone. And I think I don't know, like, don't quote me, but I think Jackie Aina also wears the Honey one, I think. And me and Jackie, like, I wear the same like foundation shades as her as well. Like, she's like my foundation shade guide. Just gonna go on to the next step, which I got the Fenty Beauty bronzer. Now, I know this has had so many videos here on YouTube, and a lot of people have been like raving about it. I haven't seen like one negative video on this product, but the Fenty bronzer, I got it in the shade Cocoa Naughty. I was gonna get the darkest one, but I feel like that one is more like dramatic contouring, you know what I mean, or dramatic bronzing. So I thought I would get Cocoa Naughty, which is like, it's still dark, but I feel like it's more like a natural bronze on like my skin tone. So I picked this up, and I'm just gonna use it to just subtly bronze my face a little bit. Blush, I picked up the Buxom Primer Infused Wonderlust blushes, and I picked up the shade Mykonos and I picked up the shade Goa, and I'm kind of like stuck between the two. Like, I don't know if I want to go more berry-like or if I'm going to go more peachy today. Like, I don't know which one I want to do. I think I'm going to go with Mykonos. I think I'm going to go more like peachy-ish with my blush. And the reason why I picked up these blushes because like Kathleen Lights, she raves these blushes so much, and she says that they're like amazing blushes. So I really wanted to like try them out for myself and see how good they are. So I'm just gonna go in with like a light hand. I'm not gonna put too much. It smells so good. It smells like coconut. Or is it me that's just in my head? But I feel like it smells like coconutty. But it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. For highlight, it's nothing new. This is something I already have in my collection. But this is the Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter. I'm just going to apply a little bit, highlight my cheekbones. I didn't pick up any highlights during the Sephora sale. So I'm just going to do a little bit of highlight. It for like the face part, and now I'm just gonna go back to my eyes, and I'm just going to use some ColourPop Flexitarian shadows as my inner corner highlight. I love this highlighter just for inner corner. Obviously it's really light for my skin tone, so I don't use it on my face, but I love to use it on my inner corner because it's like the perfect inner corner highlight for me. So I'm just gonna use it. Going to put some mascara on. I have some It Cosmetics mascara, Superhero mascara. This is like my holy grail mascara of all time. Before I like do my lips or anything, I think I'm just gonna set my face. I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. This is what it looks like if it'll focus, and I'm just gonna spray that on my face right now. So I always go super overboard with my setting sprays because I feel like if you have like a really good setting spray, it shouldn't hurt your makeup. It should just make your makeup look better. So now for my lips, I'm going to use a combination of the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade K, which they don't make anymore, unfortunately. Please ColourPop bring this back as a permanent collection. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. tinted lip oil in the shade Nude Kiss. I'm just going to line my lips with this. If you look at my pencil, it's like super like old. Like a full face of new makeup, except the lips and stuff and the highlight. Those are things I already had, but I really like how natural and how nice this makeup came out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel down below, and please comment, leave a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.